50 open houses in 50 days?
Yes, Mary, I did it.
I don't know about you, but you're going to have to tune in to this episode of Really Mary and find out more.
Really, Mary?
Welcome back to Really Mary. I'm here with a great agent, Aaron Gochenaur. Hello, Aaron.
Hi, Mary.
Hey, and if you're an agent anywhere in the U.S., you are going to want to hear this. Because, Aaron, you just did something really incredible. You did 50 open houses in 50 days.
I did.
And, you know, it was kind of a little off season for us when you did it. But talk about why, first of all, why you chose to do it.
So I did it for a couple of reasons. I did it, one, just because I love doing open houses. I love to door knock. I love to call, the neighborhood before I do the open houses. And I also wanted to just set a discipline for myself to really understand the power behind open houses and utilize or leverage my social media as well through TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. So it really helped with that.
Absolutely. Now, one of the things that I guess you found interesting was it easy or hard?
A little bit of both, Mary.
Right.
A lot of coordinating. We carry a lot of listings with the Bartos group. So, each week I had to coordinate kind of where I was going to be, what time I was going to do them. And then, it's, open houses aren't the hardest thing to do once you're there, but the coordinating was a little mundane. Yeah.
Especially if you're doing one every day. Now, when you first decided to do this, you're like, 50 is no big deal. And then what happened?
Yeah. So the timing of it was probably a little crazy on my part. Coming into October, into November, things started picking up just naturally here as people started, flocking to Southwest Florida as it was getting colder up north. It just made it a little more challenging in November as it was getting busier. So
right. And you just finished them as of this taping. I want to say the last one was on the 23rd?
Yeah,
or
Sunday. Sunday, I think
Sunday,
that was the 23rd.
November 23rd.
Yeah.
So think about that. You're an agent out there doing 50 of these thinking, wow, is that something I want to do? I don't know. But Aaron, what were the fruits of those 50 open houses?
So yes, as of right now, I have 3 potential new listings coming out of it. I just got 1 contract signed just a few days ago. 2 more on the horizon here that should be signing shortly. And then about 4 buyers, like ready, willing, and able buyers that are looking in the next, probably 2 to 3 months to buy something here in Southwest Florida. So,
and that's incredible. 7 opportunities. I think anyone would go, how do I get 7 opportunities? And you say,
I say do open houses, stay disciplined, door knock, meet the neighbors, talk to the people in the community, call them on whatever platform that you use, invite people from your database, get out there, talk to people, don't stay hidden, don't be a secret agent. That's what I'd say. That's
a great thing to say. Let me tell you, I don't know about you, but again, if you're looking to build your database and or your opportunities, better yet, wherever in the world you are, this 50 open houses in 50 days is incredible. One last thing, Aaron, I want to ask. When you went and door knocked or called people and said you were doing this, 50 opens in 50 days, what was the response?
They said, are you really doing 50 open houses in 50 days? And I said, yes, you're going to see me in your neighborhood frequently over the next few weeks or few months. And they did, and I got to know quite a few different people, even the people that weren't really interested in buying and selling, were saying hi to me and stopping in to check in on me and, bringing me drinks or water or snacks. It was pretty cool.
I think that's the coolest part because you ended up, really kind of embedding yourself in these communities where you did the opens and the people that were in them. And guess who they're going to think of when they want to buy or sell?
Hopefully me.
Of course they will. So until next time, I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty.
I'm Aaron Gochenaur with the Bartos Group at Premier Plus Realty.
And we look forward to seeing you here. I don't know. As an agent, we look to do business with you or have you join our team. We'd love to talk to you about either one of those things. Ciao.